Good morning, children. Today again we are all together with our WizKids book. So let's start today's work. So today we are going to start from page number 29. That is money exchange. Each country has its own currency. Sometimes more than one country uses currency units of the same name. Great Britain and Egypt both use the pound, but they are different currencies. Put the countries from the help box in the correct columns. So here the name of the countries are given. We have to differentiate them according to the rupee, dollar and dinar, what they are using. So we will start with rupee. So first of all, Sri Lanka, then Mauritius, then Maldives, then Pakistan. These all are the countries where the currency rupee is being used. Now comes to the dollar. Canada, then New Zealand, Australia, Hong Kong and USA. In these countries, they are using dollars. Now, dinar in which countries they are using? Dinar they are using in Libya, then Algeria. All the Arabic countries they are using dinars. Kuwait, Iraq and Jordan. Okay, children. Now we come to match these countries with their currencies. Fine. In China, they are using yuan. Brazil, they use real. South Africa, they use rand. In Russia, they use ruble. And in Malaysia, they are using ringgit. This is all about page number 29. Children, page number 30 and 31 is your homework. This you will do on your own, in which the country is linked to the words. The clue box is given to you. You will enjoy doing these pages. Now we come to page number 32. This is dramatic nature. The natural world is an existing stage for some spectacular events. Some are disasters, while others are simply surprising. Complete this open crossword about the disasters using the clues. So here, the clues are given to you. And here we have to write the name of the disasters, right? The first is, across we have to fill it. This word comes from the Roman god of fire. Hawaii, Iceland and Mount Fusiyama in Japan are examples of this occurrence, that is volcano. So I'll fill VOLCANO, volcano. Japan is a country in which this disaster is very common. So many buildings in Japan are built in such a manner that they would not collapse when it occurs. That is earthquake. It happens over there. EARTHQUAKE, earthquake. Number 3. Next is number 4. This natural disasters occur in the ocean. It is characterized by the strong winds, in the center of which is a clear, calm region called the eye. That is known as a cyclone. Number 4. So you'll write cyclone here. CYCLONE, cyclone. 6.1. This is a rapid spinning tube of air, sometimes called a twister. It is composed of the fastest winds on earth, taking many shapes and sizes. That is tornado. Number 6. So here we'll write tornado. Number 6, TORNADO, tornado. 8th one. This is a kind of strong storm which most often forms in the northwest Pacific Ocean. Its name has been derived from a Chinese word which means great wind. That is typhoon. On number 8, TYPHOON, typhoon. Now downwards. Number 2. This common occurrence appears as a bright flash in the sky. It is usually followed by a clap or rumble of thunder, that is lightning. So on number 2 we will write this Lightning, lightning. Number 5. This calamity is a result of very little water in the atmosphere causing little or no rain. If it lasts for a long time, it can cause famine or severe food shortage, that is drought. On number 5, D-R-O-U-G-H-T, drought. Number 6, the name of this huge wave wall comes from the Japanese word meaning harbor wave. In December 2004, this disastrous wave uncovered the lost city of Mahabalipuram in the Indian Ocean, that was tsunami. On number 6, in tsunami, T is silent. So, this is T-S-U-N-A-M-I, tsunami. Number 7, an overflow of water from rivers, lakes or excess rain can result in this condition. To stay safe during this calamity, one should go to the highest ground or floor possible, that is flood. F-L-O-O-D, flood. Now, question number B. Natural disasters are measured by using the special instruments or scales. Match these common scales with the phenomena that they are used to measure. Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting, that is DART, is used to measure tsunami. Beaufort scale is used to measure tropical cyclone speed of wind. And Richter scale is used to measure the intensity of earthquake. Now we are on page number 34. Here the Indian brides and grooms are given. Indian weddings are known for their variety, colors and festivity. Here are the names of some brides, regions and grooms with few clues. Match the bride with their regions, estates and their grooms. So here I am giving you one example. Crown made of with pith, white pith. Okay, so this bride belongs to Bengal and the groom is number B. That is starched dhoti with a distinct fan pattern. Okay children, so this you will enjoy. These both pages you can do on your own as a homework. Fine. The first one is Coorg, Karnataka relates to number 4 bride and number A groom. Bengal number 1 bride and number B groom. Goa number 2 bride and number D groom. Tamil Nadu number 3 bride and number C groom. Just like that, Uttar Pradesh number 8 bride and number H groom. Ladakh number 6 bride and number G groom. Punjab number 7 bride and number A groom. Maharashtra number 5 bride and number F groom. Okay children, this is all for today. Now we come to page number 36, that is manufacturing fruit juice. Here are some pictures and statement about the process of making fruit juice in a factory. They are not in the correct sequence. Put them in the correct order. So let's do it. Number 1, first fruit is harvested. That is first one. The second thing is B. The fruit is then stored and graded. Then it is washed. After that, the next step is to cut, slice or core it. After that, number 7, the fruit is turned into pulp. Then we come on number 10, the pulp is filtered. Then we come on number 4, that is pasteurization, that is heating at 80 to 90 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes is done at this stage. After 5th stage, bottles and caps are boiled for at least 10 minutes to sterilize them. After this, number 6, the bottles are filled and the caps sealed. After number 6, the last step is number 2, that is finally the juice is cooled and the bottles labeled and stored. So, these are all the step-by-step process. So, this is the series what you have to fill. 1, 8, 9, 3, 7, 10, 4, 5, 6 and then 2. Now we are on page number 38. Let's visit the UK. The capital is London, currency is British pound, and the flag is Union Jack. The head of the state of the United Kingdom is a king or a queen known as a monarch. Fine. Match the inventions with their British inventors. TV, it's been invented by John Logie Baird. Steam engine, it is discovered by James Watt. A steam locomotive or train is invented by George Stephenson. A spinning jenny, this is discovered by James Hargreaves. World Wide Web, WWW, this was discovered by Tim Berners-Lee. Question number B. Here are the names and the pictures of 6 English authors with some of their most famous characters. Match them. First is Enid Blyton. As you know that it relates to Noddy. The second one is Arthur Conan Doyle. This relates to Sherlock Holmes. Third one is William Shakespeare. This relates to Hamlet. Charles Dickens. You all know about Charles Dickens? It is related to Oliver Twist. Fine. This was the book which is written by him. Then number 5, Agatha Christie. This relates to Hercule Poirot. And J.K. Rowling. This relates to Harry Potter. Now come to page number 39. London is an exciting city and has many well-known landmarks. Connect the clues, the pictures and the names. Ding Dong Bell. It is related to this picture and Big Ben. So here we'll write 1E. Second, opens up for ships to pass. So this relates to Tower Bridge and picture H. The home of cricket. This relates to Lord's Cricket Ground and picture J. This one. This is the ground. A grass court. This relates to Wimbledon and picture A. This is the symbol of Wimbledon. Number 5. Platform 9 and 3/4. And this relates to number 8. That is King's Cross Station. And the picture G. This is the King's Cross Station. Number 6. Splits London into 2. Okay. So the Thames. This divides the London into 2 parts. And this is the picture of Thames. Number 7. London Underground. This relates to the tube. And the picture I. Number 8. The Queen's Home. This relates to Buckingham Palace. And the picture C. This is the Buckingham Palace. Number 9. Sherlock Holmes lived here. So this relates to Baker Street. Number 9. And the picture D. And the last one is the original Waxworks Museum. This relates to Madame Tussauds Museum. And the picture F. This is the Madame Tussauds Museum. So this all about page number 39. Now we'll do lesson number 12, that is animals adapt. All animals adapt to their habitat. Use the clues in the sentences to fill in the blanks. Choose the answers from the help box. Here the help box is given to you. The first one. The many-legged dash does not have a skeleton, so it can squeeze through tiny cracks between undersea rocks. So answer number 1 is octopus. So here you can see the picture of octopus. Here I'll write octopus. A dash lives on land, in water and on ice. It has flippers that helps it swim in water. That is seal. This is the seal. Third one. A dash moves about with the help of a number of transparent tube-like hairs called tentacles, that is jellyfish. Here is the picture of jellyfish. Here you can see. The dash is used, but a thick layer of fat under its skin helps it to keep its head above water and float. So, this is hippopotamus. So, here I'll write hippopotamus. The dash has wide hooves that prevent it from sinking in the snow. That is reindeer. This is the reindeer. The dash breathes through a hole called a blowhole on the top of its head. Who's this? This is dolphin. So here the picture of dolphin. The dash, which looks like it's wearing a black and white coat, has feet that don't freeze because they are covered with feathers and body fat. That is penguin. The dash, also called a sea star, has no brains and no blood. Its nervous system is spread through its arms and its blood is actually filtered sea water. So its answer is starfish. Now here we are on page number 47. Connect the three columns to come up with 5 sets of 5. The Kadha, Kripan, Kesh, Kanghi and Kacha are the. They are actually relates to 5 Ks of 6. So here we'll write 1C. The Shahada, Salat, Zakat, Swam and Hajj are the. It relates to 5 pillars of Islam. So you'll write 2D. The Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Beas are the 5 rivers of Punjab. 3A. Julian, Dick, Anne and George and Timothy the dog are together known as the famous 5 created by Enid Blyton. That is 4E. Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and the Americans are represented by 5 rings on the Olympic flag. Okay? Now B. The word sponge means 5 and is a root word of several terms that are common known to Indians. Complete the following words beginning with the punch using the answers given in the help box, but watch out, there are 2 extra answers. So we'll start with this. A mixture of 5 food used in worship, normally honey, liquid, jaggery, milk, yogurt and ghee. So that is called Panchamrit. Panchamrit. A traditional calendar used in India for astrological purpose always. That is Panchang. Panch-ang. A-N-G. A collection of fables divided into 5 parts written by the Vishnu Sharma. So that will be Panch-tantra. Panch-tantra. Then 5 principles of peaceful coexisting, the basis of Indians' foreign policy. That is Panchashila. Panchashila. A system of government in villages where a set of 5 persons would settle disputes that are called Panchayat. Panchayat. Okay. Now we are on page number 48. This is about nature's beauty in Northeast India. The Northeast region has some unique, unusual and matchless examples of natural beauty and features. Read these sentences about the region and fill in the blanks with the names of states themselves, rivers, lakes, mountains and other features. The Shangapur River enters from Tibet and is then known as the Siang. When it flows into Assam, this mighty river is called the. So the first answer it enters in Arunachal Pradesh. And its name is Brahmaputra. Loktak Lake near Moirang in Manipur is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. It is famous for the Phumdis, mix of vegetation, soil and organic matter at various stages of decomposition on its surface. Also floating on the lake is Dash, the only floating national park in the world. So the name is Keibul Lamajo. Keibul, Keibul Lamjao National Park. That is the only floating national park in the world. Umiam Lake, commonly known as a Barapani Lake, is a reservoir located in the hills 15 kilometers to the north of Shillong in Dash. It was created by the damming the Umiam River in the early 1960s. So its answer is Meghalaya. According to the Indian State of Forest Report ISFR of 2015, Dash, sometimes called the Peninsula State. Which is called Peninsula State? Mizoram. Because it is surrounded by foreign countries on three sides, has 88.93% of forest cover, the highest forest cover in percentage terms among all states in India. Fifth one, Nagaland's highest mountain is, you know, what is the name of that? Mount Saramati. This is the largest mountain, which at a height of 3,826 meter and a prominence of 2,885 meters soars above the surrounding peaks at the mountainous border of Nagaland and Myanmar. Almost the entire state of Sikkim is hilly, with an elevation ranging from 280 meters to 8,586 meters. The summit of Dash, the world's third highest peak in the state's highest point, situated on the border between the Sikkim and Nepal. So what is the answer? Mount Kanchenjunga. So here we can write Kanchenjunga. The last one is Tiny Dash, the third smallest state of India after Goa, and Sikkim has 5 ranges of Barumura, Antharampura, Longtaria, Shakan and Jampui hills that run north to south, that is Tripura. So this is all about today, my dear children. Whatever pages I have left, that you will do on your own, as I told you. Thank you so much.